Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we calculate the time differences in an Excel workbook. So here I have created a table over here in this particular sheet, and I have written time sheet over here as a title, and in time and out time and total number of hours, and I have provided some times over here. So we will calculate the total numbers of hours as per the in and out time. So to convert this, so first of all we have to change this into a time format from here, from the number format. Here I have already did in the change the format into a time format. And to calculate this total hours, what I did is I just created a custom number format here, that is in hour and minutes. And to calculate the total hours based on the in and out time, what I'll do is I'll just type equal to out time minus in time. Just press enter. So this is the way you can get the total numbers of hours completed by the employees. So and if I drag till bottom here, you can see the amount of hours the person has covered within the office hours. So this is the way you can calculate the total numbers of hours in an Excel workbook. And I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and press the bell notifications for further updates. So take care, bye bye.